All right, for my Module 3 choice board, I'm choosing to create a tutorial on how to use one of the tools for my colleagues. And I'm choosing to do this site about the United States Census from the United States Census Bureau because it wasn't on the list of possible sites. It's one that I've stumbled across. Actually, I think both Mr. Brown and Mrs. Niss have shared this with me, and it's very popular in the AP Stat world. But I think, excuse me, I think there are a lot of applications that could be used for this, that this could be used for in other, social studies and other places as well. So this tutorial is going to be about a little bit about how to navigate this site with the disclaimer from the very beginning that every time I go in here, I feel like I go down a different rabbit hole and I find different things. And so really, this tutorial isn't going to be the be-all, end-all about what to do. It's going to be a launching point to go, holy cow, there's a ton of stuff in here. So initially, it's census.gov is the website, and so once you get here, it's the home page for the United States Census, obviously, and there are a trillion things that I use it mostly for data visualization and data sets that maybe kids find relevant, but I'm just going to show a few things. Browsing by topic, obviously, if whatever you're interested in, those topics are here. There is a search bar up at the very top if you're interested in that. I have used it a lot just for, I say, kids, go find a data set about something that you find interesting, and no matter what that is, you can click on that topic and it will have news items about that, which usually have data visualizations in them, as well as the relevant things, telling, of course, where they came from. Oftentimes up here, depending on the topic, it will break it down further. There are different data sets and data visualizations and things that can be accessed. But that, of course, will vary by topic. One of the places that I have used the most is I've gone to the topic of geography. And of course, there are lots of different things here about geography and different geographies. I've used the interactive maps quite a bit, where depending on what you wanna look at, census data mapper. This is one I've never opened before. I just opened it for the first time today. This one's not going to work, of course. There's the lesson for you that they won't always work depending on your Flash player or whatever. But so within that, there's also different ways to explore data. There's all kinds of different things. If you want tables, you can get data tables from whatever you want. 108 pages of different tables, zip codes from different things. If you want to find population data, if you want to find you name it, from the 2000 census, the 1990 census, there's information from all the different censuses, whatever. Just tons of different things. You want to find different surveys that have been taken in different metro and micro areas, population estimates, population projections. You can look at those, 2000 data, 2017 tables, all kinds of different demographics and things that could be relevant for, of course, different teachers of different subject areas. The last thing I want to point out is scoot all the way over to information for educators and students. There's a whole world out here. Statistics in schools is something that I've started to use quite a bit. Teachers can go out here and find classroom activities it's specifically about statistics, which makes it cool for me because I'm a nerd, but English, history, geography, sociology, different fun facts, Constitution Day, lots of different things that can be used that are relevant and real live data from the Census Bureau, and it's about our country. So for math, by grade level, of course this is the same in other subject areas too. You can pick by grade level and find the things that that might be relevant. So that's really my tutorial for this. It just to show the tip of the iceberg. There, every one of these, you can go down and go down that rabbit hole and be lost there for a long time. So my best advice is to play and have some fun and give yourself time. And the other thing I've found, I'm not doing it right now, but take notes as to where you are, because you think like, oh yeah, I can get back to that page, but then wait, where was that one again? Because did I go through fun facts, or did I go through standards? Did I go through, what did I go through? And so keeping track of where you went to get down that rabbit hole is also one little tip that I've learned the hard way, because there are some things that I know I've seen and I have trouble finding again, even using this search bar. So that's it. Thanks for listening.